Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and helpful tips. All the links mentioned in this overview of Ellevest are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Ellevest, a robo-advisor designed for women's financial success. Ellevest is a robo-advisor specifically crafted to address the unique financial challenges women face. With a mission to close the gender wealth gap, Ellevest acknowledges realities like longer lifespans, potential career breaks, and the persistent gender pay gap. This platform offers a personalized, goal-oriented investing approach, perfect for individuals seeking financial empowerment and inclusivity. Personalized investing and goal setting. A key differentiator of Ellevest is its proprietary algorithm. This algorithm factors in elements like gender, age, income, and projected career path to generate a truly customized investment plan. Whether your goal is retirement savings, general wealth building, or preparing for specific life events, Ellevest ensures your portfolio aligns with your aspirations. The platform caters to diverse financial needs by supporting taxable accounts, retirement accounts, including IRAs, and even dedicated emergency funds. Flexible subscription tiers and comprehensive services. Ellevest offers 3 subscription tiers, Essential, Plus, and Executive, starting at just $5 per month. Each tier provides a different level of service, ranging from basic investment management to access to certified financial planners and a valuable career coaching network. This tiered structure allows users to select the plan that best suits their budget and individual requirements. Beyond investing, cash management and financial education. Ellevest goes beyond traditional investing by offering features like cash management accounts with no-fee banking and opportunities to earn rewards on spending. Its educational platform further enhances its value, providing workshops, courses, and informative content dedicated to improving financial literacy. Ellevest also prioritizes social responsibility through impact investing, focusing on opportunities aligned with women's values, such as supporting women-led companies and sustainable businesses. Accessibility and inclusivity for all. While primarily designed for women, Ellevest's straightforward approach and goal-oriented features can benefit anyone, especially those new to investing or seeking a platform that prioritizes personalization and impactful investments. Men can also find value in its simplified interface and focus on achieving specific financial goals. Empower your financial future with Ellevest. Ellevest transcends the typical robo-advisor. It's a comprehensive tool for financial growth and empowerment. It equips women with the resources and support they need to navigate the complexities of the financial world and achieve their financial ambitions. Click the links in the description below to explore Ellevest and begin investing with purpose today.